channel. In today's video I'm going to be showcasing to you how I dressed down some of the bridesmaids dresses, evening dresses / prom dresses. This first style here, I have edged it up with a pair of black biker boots and a black denim jacket. I just love how easily I transformed this dress just by putting on a denim jacket and some black biker boots, both of which are from Everything5Pounds, so of course I will leave them linked down below for you, so if you do like them you could go and see if they're still available. But what I do really like about this dress is it's not really the typical length that I would have usually picked had I been picking a dress for myself, but I feel like it's a really flattering cut. It's a really lovely cut dress. And fun fact for you, this dress was actually only £2.50 and still available on the website with a mauve pink shade too. The way that I've styled up this dress is very typical of how I would wear it if I was on a summer holiday. So these gold sparkly wedge shoes, unfortunately I didn't get to haul them for you, but I will leave them linked down below if you do like them, and they are still available on the website. The sunglasses, as you know, were from the £2.50 section, and the bag was actually from eBay. I think I paid £1.60 something for it on a payday weekend deal, but if I can find it I'll leave it linked down below for you so you can go check it out should you wish. Okay, so this next way of styling up, I chose to get a grey cardigan. That's not a cardigan, is it? A grey jumper, and chuck it over the top of this purple silk dress, turn it into the really gorgeous silk skirts that are available on the market right now. And I also paired it with some trainers just to tone down the look a little bit. The trainers I will leave linked down below for you, and the bag is also from Everything5Pounds. I can't link the bag though, unfortunately, because it is out of stock. But this is just another really casual way to make this really gorgeous flowy dress look really casual. Honestly, I was shocked at how nicely this tied together. Really nice. But obviously, as you know, the jumper is from Norwich. If you watched my eBay bundled clothes haul, obviously I can't link it down below because it's probably a very old jumper. Next dress, I teamed up with a white belt, a denim jacket, and these really gorgeous denim palm tree boots / trainers, shoes, whatever you want to call them. I just feel like they give a different look to the dress because it is quite a formal dress, but I really love how I dressed this one down for this occasion. So this final way was probably a bit of a cheat because I was ready to go indoors and I saw my white t-shirt just hanging there drying away, and I decided to chuck this white t-shirt on, which has the crochet detailing on the bottom. I've tucked that up, took off the belt, and then just paired it with the same shoes and jacket. So that was a bit of a gimmick on the way through the door. That is all of the dress downs that I have to show you today, but I wanted to share this clip with you from yesterday's video because I feel like the fabric of this dress makes it super casual. Even if you wanted to be dressed up but not too dressed up, the materialist fabric allows you to do that. And yeah, I could definitely see myself wearing this outfit for a dinner out, drinks out, casual but not too uncasual, if that makes sense. Yeah, I just really like this dress overall, so I thought I'd pop this one in here for you. If you did enjoy this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching, bye!